Because of the high pressures involved with nitrogen tanks, you must use a pressure regulator when flushing with dry nitrogen, and you must use sweat-in valves. The regulator and the hoses must be in good condition. Ensure the hoses aren't frayed or swelled at the connections. You have to flush the high and low side separately. Cut out the high side at the compressor discharge and the hot tube discharge at the dryer. Most servicers like to cut in right at the point where they attached a line tap, so they don't have to weld that hole later. Connect a sweat-in valve to the hot tube discharge. You'll connect here so that you can flush the system in the reverse direction of its normal flow. Be sure to remove the Schrader valve stems if you're sweating these connectors on. The heat from the process will ruin the valve seats. Leave these stems out during the flushing process to provide greater flow through the system. The high side cannot take more than 250 pounds of pressure. Open the regulator until the pressure reaches about 200. That's sufficient to do the job. Place a white cloth over the other end of the tubing to see what's coming out. A contaminated system will flush out dark brown burnt oil. Continue flushing until what comes out is clean and free of contaminants. Then close the regulator and wait until the system bleeds down the remaining nitrogen. Flushing the low side is the same except that the pressure on the low side cannot exceed 150 pounds. In addition to looking for a clean discharge from the cap tube, you are also looking for a good strong flow out of the tube. Once you've got that, shut down the regulator and disconnect your equipment. The next step is to reconnect the system, pump it down, and recharge it.